Dear student, today we are talking about installation of packages tool before starting RNA dataset analysis. So for this, I must to go to my directory where I want to install. RNASEQ ls. Okay, before installation, we must to update our system by command sudo apt update. I will hit my password. After completing, if there is any upgrade, so we will do upgrade. Two packages need to upgrade. So for this, sudo apt upgrade 0 upgrade. Okay, so now we can install sra-toolkit. How to install? Sudo apt install sra-toolkit. I have already installed it, so you can install by this command. Right now, I want to verify my command. The sra-toolkit I installed, whether it's verified or not, it means configuration. vdp config and directive. So it means that everything is fine. So now how to install fastqc or fastqc? Sudo apt install fastqc. I have already installed this tool. After that, how to install Trimmomatic. So hope so you will enjoy, and thank you so much. Happy learning.